Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chicken. Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today, I'm going to show you I first have to make a brine. A brine is primarily warm water, salt, sugar, spices, and whatever ingredients you may want to put in the liquid. I'm going to take 2 chicken breasts, place them in the brine, and allow the chicken breasts to marinate for 1 hour. After that, I'm going to take them out, pat them dry, place them into milk or buttermilk, your choice, that is seasoned. Once that is done, I'm going to place them into seasoned flour. The breasts will then be deep fried until you have that wonderful golden brown color and they are cooked through. If you want to see how I made the burger buns, please check out the ham burger video. Now to assemble the chicken burger. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on YouTube. Leave a comment if you so desire. If you see this on Instagram or Facebook, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next video.